everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today is the day where I show you guys the Walgreens ad preview. Now this month is just bad again, and they've just been having nothing but bad months, and I don't understand. But there are some deals. A lot of the deals in this ad are a lot of Christmas gifts, so I still wanted to share with you guys on that. But as you guys see, they have gifts of the week, which I'm pretty excited to get this. I'm going to definitely get that for my family for Christmas. But here they got deals of the week. Frosted or Kellogg's brand cereal and Post cereal or $1.88. Now you guys can print off a 2 off of 4 coupon on the Kellogg's Family Rewards website. So you guys use that coupon. You guys would end up paying $5.52, but there is a deal on checkout 51 unless it ends. But you guys can get $2 off of 4 also. So if you guys do that deal with the app and the coupon, you guys would pay $3.52. For 4 boxes or just 88 cents a piece, which is a pretty good deal. They got Puffs and Dawn for 99 cents. Now they do have a deal where if you buy 10, you get 3,000 points. Now I do know we are getting P&G, but I don't know what's inside for the coupons. So just wanted to give you guys a heads up on that. They got Tide for $4.99, and then we got the $2 off coupons, making them $2.99. So there's that for you guys. Lots of food deals because, you know, it's the time for the season to get food. So we got that. I'm definitely going to do this deal for my husband. He likes their macadamia nuts and their buy one, get one 50% off. So that's going to be stuff I get him for Christmas. They got popcorn tins for $4.99. That's the cheapest I have found them anywhere I really look. So I wanted to share with you guys on that deal. But a lot of food deals for that. They got deals on Hallmark stuff. Now here's a lot of the Christmas candy. Nothing that's really popping out at me, but they do have some like stocking stuffers, buy one, get one 50% off if you guys are interested in that. They got some wine, beer, all that jazz. Here we got some paper towels and toilet paper. Nothing's really, like nothing is really popping out at me. It's just, it's crazy. Christmas cards, looks like they're going to be 40% off. I always buy my Christmas cards from Walgreens. I am so excited to post my Christmas cards this year, just because we have an exciting announcement. You guys already know what it is, but I'm just excited to share with that, and our family does too. Lots of toys. Now they got toys, buy 2 at $9.99, you get 1 free. They also have buy 2 at $19.99, get 1 free. So there is some deals if you guys are interested in that. Fingerlings are 20% off. Ben 10, 20% off. They got some blind boxes. Buy one, get one 50% off. I'm excited to see what they have. So those are good, like little stocking stuffers if you guys are interested in that. A lot of the Christmas decorations are on sale. Buy one, get one 50% off. Cards. A lot of buy one, get one 50% off. Here they got gift cards. It says free $5 gift card when you purchase any of those gift cards. It doesn't say it. So you guys can buy Netflix, Uber, Bass Pro Shops, Cabela's. Looks like the Children's Place, Showtime. That might be it. And if you buy a gift card, you get $5 for a Walmart gift card or Walgreens gift card. So that's kind of cool. Sharper Image is 50% off, and then they have some gifts. Buy one, get one 50% off. Clothing, socks, $1. Those are cute little gifts, and some of them are super soft. They got other socks and hats for $3. Some seasonal socks and other fine stuff for $1.99 to $5.99. So that is cool. Gift sets starting under $10, so they're really going to push out, you know, gift stuff for you guys. And then they also have some other gift sets starting at 10% off, or $10, starting at $10. Here they got Herbal Essence, and it does say Aussie, but they're 2 for $6. There's going to be a 2 off of 2 coupon that is going to be available online. When you guys buy 2, you'll get 2,000 points, which equals out to be just $1 a piece. So if you guys are interested in that kind of a deal, go for it. Pantene is 3 for $12. We are getting a 5 off of 3 coupon. Plus it says if you guys buy 3, you get $2 in points. So that comes out to be $5 for the 3 of them. So I think that's what, $1.33? No, it's not. I can't even count. So there's that. Otherwise, nothing's really popping out. Dial, buy one, get one free. Pampers is 2 for $18. There's a 3 off of 2 coupon. Plus, if you guys spend $30, you get a $10 register reward. So, not the greatest deal for me. Personal care products, nothing's really popping out, you guys. It's a slow week. I'm still going to go shopping because I didn't go shopping last week, but wanted to share with you guys on these deals. And now we're on the last page. That is the last page. So they got some stuff. They got candy bars, 69 cents if you guys need some fillers, if you do have some register rewards. Here is Crest toothpaste. Now they're $2.99. Looks like there's going to be a $2 off coupon. I'm assuming these are also going to be in the P&G. If you guys buy 3 or more, you get a $3 off register reward. So that makes them free. So that's kind of cool. Soda, if you guys need it, 3 for $3. So there is that. So that is the Walgreens ad preview. I just wanted to share with you guys on that. And I will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching and hope you guys have a nice day. Bye-bye.